This sweet vermicelli recipe is different to many others because it uses no sugar. Before you find out what's the special ingredient in this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. To a pot on medium-low heat, add a quarter cup of butter ghee. Then add 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 cardamom or ilachi pods. I like to crush them up a bit. This just adds more flavor to the dish. Still on medium-low heat, allow the ghee to melt. Then add a 1 cup of crushed vermicelli. Roast this until it turns a slightly pink color. This will usually take around 10 minutes on medium-low heat. Slightly roasted, this is what it should look like. Once you have achieved this, add in 2 cups of boiling water and watch it simmer. Stir and allow to simmer until half the water remains. And now for the secret ingredient, add in a quarter cup of chopped dates. This is what adds sweetness to the dish and is a healthy alternative to using sugar. Add in a handful of pistachio slices. Allow to cook until all the water dries out completely. This is what it will look like once it is dry. Before serving, it's always a good idea to remove the cinnamon sticks and the cardamom pods because no one likes tasting these. To serve, place in small bowls and garnish with some pistachios and some rose petals and you're ready to serve. If you do try this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Connect with me on my socials and until the next vlog, happy cooking and thanks for watching.